Here we have Winston, who's 2 years old, and he's waiting for the ball. Ready? Loves to play with the ball. He's pretty good at retrieve. Hey, bud. He brings it back close to you. What do you do for me? Winston. Sit. Good sit. Here we go. Hey, bud. He is a happy little guy. What do you got there? What do you got there? Good. Sit. Here we go. Walks pretty nice in the leash. Eats good. See if we can get a good shot of him coming in here. Hey, bud.